step-by-step guide of back boiler to regular boiler replacement on new location. Select existing boiler's fuel type. Select your current boiler type, back boiler. Select yes to regular boiler. Select your house build type. Select where you want to move your boiler. Select number of bedrooms in your house. Select number of showers in your house. Do not include electric showers, but bathtub with or without shower count as one. Select flue installation through roof or through wall. Enter your house postcode where you want new boiler to be installed. View details of recommended boilers with full installation quotations according your selections. Click VAT arrow to view more detail. Click APR arrow to view monthly installments. Click to view boiler offer detail page. Click select to get offer in email or to go to order review page. Click send quotation in email or continue to order reservation page. Enter your detail to reserve your order. Domestic and General Heating Limited. Always one step ahead. For any question, please call us on 08000 786 085. We are always here to help you.